Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to cross out text in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So basically, let's suppose that if I want to apply the cross out text effect on this name here, so I will select this cell and then I will right click and I will click on this format cells option here, and then I will basically select this font option here, and here you can see that we have this strike through option here. Okay, so I will just check on this I will just check this box here, and when I will press OK here, you can see that we have crossed out this name here. And alternatively, there is a shortcut key for this also. Select your cell with the text in it and press Ctrl+5. okay, so from your keyboard press Ctrl+5 like this, and now it will apply the cross out effect to the text. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.